I'm a director in the firm's family law department. We have a fairly significant family law team here, including myself, of course, Mrs. Pavneet Matharu, who's a solicitor of some years' qualification, and Sara who's also a solicitor of some years' qualification. We're backed by legal assistants who assist us with the administrative tasks. Family law is a very broad spectrum. Inevitably, it's centred on divorce, married couples, and divorce is a very emotive and difficult issue for people to have to deal with. We are conscious here that whilst we may deal with hundreds of divorces, to our clients it's generally their first divorce, sometimes a second divorce and even a third divorce, but it's foreign territory to them, and we try to simplify matters in terms of advising them as much as we possibly can. And we break it down into three compartments, three boxes, if you will. Box number one is the marriage itself and how we approach divorce and how we advise clients in that regard. The sole ground for divorce is that a marriage has broken down irretrievably, but has to be evidenced by certain facts, and that is something we have to discuss in detail with the client. The concept of irretrievable breakdown is very much a unilateral point of view, so if one spouse says that the marriage has broken down, then it has, and one has to proceed from that situation. Box number two, of course, relates to financial and property matters, and one of the important aspects to address, so far as that's concerned, is the concept of full and frank financial disclosure. This is incredibly important. It's no back of an envelope job and needs very substantial and significant consideration with the client. Box number three, last but not least, generally the most important issue, relates to children. Under the current legislation, married couples have what's called parental responsibility in relation to their children, which means they should try and agree the arrangements for their children. We encourage our clients to do that. Where that's not possible, then we advise our clients as to what their rights and obligations are, and in appropriate situations where an application to the court must be made, an application is duly made. I believe what hallmarks this firm from many other firms is the high level of client care we provide our clients with. Divorce, family matters, is incredibly stressful for the client, and we never lose sight of that. It's very important that we look after our clients, are conscious of the levels of stress and the emotional upheaval that they're under, and we try to put our clients at ease as much as we can, and we look after them. We are totally empathetic and understanding and do recognise what a dreadful, stressful, awful experience it can be. We try to make it as well as it can be.